Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus have started rolling out July update for OnePlus smartphones. Currently OnePlus 13s have got the update and within few days we'll start receiving for other devices too. And this latest update of OxygenOS 15.0.2 brings few nice changes and we also notice a lot of performance boost after this update. So in this video we'll talk about all the changes. But before moving ahead, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So here I have my OnePlus 13s and on this device I've already received the update. So let me show you. If I go to about section, tapping on software update, you can see current version is 15.0.2.400. So this is the latest update which I received, and if you see the update size, it was 723.95 MB. By the way guys, if you haven't received the OTA update, you can just go to the about section, tapping on software update, tap on these three dots and from here select beta program. In the normal about section, it may take few days. But if you want to update your device immediately, just go to the beta update section and update your device. And here are the change logs. Changes are related to one specific application which is recorder, and some system changes have been done. Let's talk one by one about all the changes. First one related to recorder application, which says recorder now supports customizable grouping, making it easier to manage audio files. So here I have my OnePlus Nord CE5. On this device I'll show you the recorder application and I'll show you the recorder application present on OnePlus 13s. And guys, these features you can easily get by installing the latest APK of recorder application on your OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 15. So here you can see now we have the recorder application version is 16.0.9. Previously it was 15.1.17. And now let's open the recorder application and see the changes. First change you'll notice in the entire UI. Now on the latest build you can see instead of all recordings we have recorder option. And here you can see the categorization. All recording, call recording have a different section, general recording have a different section, and we also have an option of recently deleted recording. And OnePlus now also gives you an option to make new groups. So here towards the right hand side you can see a text in the red color which says new. Tapping on it, here you can create a new group, select the color scheme, let's type test and select the color as green. The recording icon gets changed. Tapping on save, here you can see we have a new group. By default you'll see these three groups: call recording, general recording and recently deleted, but you can add a new group over here. And tapping on these three lines you can edit the particular groups which you have made. So this is one change what they have done. And guys, after using OnePlus Nord CE5, I personally want this change on other OnePlus smartphones. So for example, if you go to settings, the home screen and lock screen settings, you can see there's an option called swipe right on the home screen which can let you open shelf. And if you guys remember, this used to be on OG OxygenOS, but it's still not been added on the latest build of OxygenOS 15 on OnePlus 13s. And now talking about the system changes, which says now you can use OnePlus Sans and OneSans as the font in more languages. So I am personally not sure which all languages it used to support before, because I use the English language. If you guys are aware which language wasn't supporting these fonts, let me know in the comment section below. After that, they have added a temporary block feature. Basically here you can temporarily block the notifications while watching videos or playing games. So this thing can be found in the setting. By default it will be turned off. You need to turn it on. Going to notification and quick settings, tapping on banner, and here we have an option called temporary block. In this we have options like 1 minute, until screen is locked, or don't block. Basically how it works, if you're watching video and if you have selected the temporary block time as 1 minute, and while watching the video or playing game, if you swipe up the notification and later on if you're getting multiple notifications from that particular apps, those notifications will be blocked depending on the settings you have selected. Either the 1 minute, the second one is until screen is locked. So until you lock the screen, that particular app notification will not be displayed. A nice add-on to avoid distraction. After that, they have improved the moving range of mini windows. You can now drag a mini window to bottom of the screen. So yes guys, this is another change. So let me select an application in floating windows and make it as mini window. And the same thing I'll do it here on OnePlus Nord CE5. Here we have the mini window. And the change what they are talking about, previously the floating windows doesn't used to go lower than this position. You can see even if I try, it comes back. But now on this latest build, you can see half of the mini window is gone out of the screen. So this is the only change what they have done here. And now let's talk about the benchmark results. So we do have the results before and after. Starting with the Geek Benchmark application, going to history, you can see the scores here. These are from the latest build and these were from the previous build. On the latest build, single core scores are 2934. Previously they were 2819. And even the multi-core now scores above 9000 previously, which was 8500. With Antutu benchmark application on this latest build device scored 25,61,000. On the previous build scores were 24,65,000. In terms of CPU throttling test, you can see a major improvement. Maximum CPU throttle 91%, average gives were 4,81,000. On the previous build, maximum CPU had throttled 72% and the average gives were 4,61,000. With the wildlife extreme testers, previously also we had the stability scores of 81.3, and on this latest build also we have the similar score which are 81.3. So guys, this was all about the latest July update for OnePlus smartphones, and let me know, did you like the changes what they're bringing with July update? As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.